back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm pretty much going to be cleaning and preparing to decorate for the holidays. Typically when I decorate, I like to make sure my house is not messy because the last thing you want to do is clean and then undecorate for the fall and then decorate for Christmas, especially because decorating for Christmas just takes a lot, I feel like. And you have to pull out the Christmas tree from the attic or like go buy a Christmas tree or however you do that, and then put the lights on and then just like decorate the whole house and stuff like that. So I feel like last year it took me pretty much the whole morning. So I started off in the living room because I did a haul and I never actually picked up. So I was doing that and I just put them in the office since I'm going to start decorating next week on Sunday. And I'm hoping that video will go up on Sunday because I'm going to decorate Sunday morning. So hopefully it'll be done just in time for me to edit and stuff. But I'm so looking forward to it. And I wanted to ask, do you guys decorate before Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving? And if you decorate before, do you decorate like the week before or right after Halloween? I have been seeing a ton of people decorate like right after Halloween. And I know a lot of us are feeling the same way with COVID and stuff because that's exactly how I was feeling for the fall time. I just needed some change. So I started decorating, I feel like in August. And those fall decorations have been up for like 3 months already. So I feel like I need a change, but I didn't want to start decorating for Christmas until after Thanksgiving because that's typically when we start decorating. So I was just curious to know when you guys decorate.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open.
Just looking at the TV stand, I'm getting like so many ideas on how to decorate. And also, do you guys get a fake Christmas tree or a real one? Me and my boyfriend have been debating on that because I've always had a fake Christmas tree growing up and he's always had a real one. But I feel like a fake one is just the way to go because last year we let the tree die because we weren't watering it, and I already know that's gonna happen this year again. So I'm just concerned that it'll like catch on fire or something. So I really, really, really just want a fake one.
It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So long when you go, and I can't is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's
So the reason why you see me carrying that big old bin up the steps is because recently we've been cleaning the basement, and it's still a work in progress because it's mostly just like storage for us. That's where we keep like our waters and just like extra clothes that we don't know where to put, especially because in our bedroom we only have one dresser. So that's pretty much like storage. So the back half is pretty much where the laundry is, and it's not finished. So I really want to make it into like a gym to work out and stuff. And I've been looking at treadmills and like dumbbells and stuff like that. We already have like I forgot what it's called, like a Bowflex set down there, which helps with like the arms and stuff. So I really just want to add a treadmill, and hopefully eventually we can finish the basement, because even the part that's finished needs a little more work with lighting because it's very dark down there and we don't have any furniture to make it more homey down there as well.
stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted.
I don't know what it is, but I find it so satisfying whenever the table is really dirty and then I clear it off and I wipe it down and it just looks very clean, and just like the wiping down process is very satisfying for me.
Time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't.
So moving on to dishes, you guys know that I love to do them by hand, but I think once we have kids, I'll probably just end up doing them in the dishwasher because I don't have time now for anything. I'm sure I won't have time then to do anything, so I feel like doing it in the dishwasher is just gonna be like the way to go.
Waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever.
Whenever I clean the stove, I always like to use multiple products on there because I feel like that's the best way that it gets everything out. I still have trouble, like sometimes when I clean, stuff is still on there, and I just hate electric stoves because I've noticed that whenever you're gonna cook, you have to make sure that the pot that you're gonna use is completely dry, because if it's still wet at the bottom, it's gonna like burn onto the stove and then it's gonna leave some little marks on there. And that's pretty much what I struggle with whenever I'm cleaning it, because it just won't come off and it like becomes very sticky and like burnt. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like really burnt pieces on there and it's very frustrating to get off.
let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time, but you gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
So now I'm just making sure that the counters are cleaned by wiping them down. I clean the counters on the regular because whenever we cook, stuff is always splashing on them. So like the oil or sometimes like the meats. So I make sure they're wiped down on the regular.
A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and ride.
It always feels so good whenever I'm done cleaning early because I get to relax for the rest of the day and literally not do absolutely anything. Also, I love how my dog is just like standing there, kind of like she's the center of attention. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and also subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.
I hurting